how to set sound mode on Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, on your remote, press the menu button and go to settings. In settings, go to sounds. Here in sounds, okay, you can see the sound mode, and the sound mode is set into standard. And here in sound mode, okay, you can select a preset sound mode to shoot the content you are listening to. So okay guys, go to sound mode, and now you can select or show the option. And you can set the sound mode into standard, cinema, music, speech, late night, or football. And okay guys, I decide for my example into cinema. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully set the sound mode on my Devant Smart TV.